Place a blanket or rug down to prevent damage to your cabinet and the floor. Tip the box back and cut it open from the bottom. Carefully remove any packaging surrounding the unit. Place the included honeycomb cardboard blocks on the floor. Now, gently lay the cabinet on its backside. It's time to install the casters. To install a caster, place the lock washer on the caster stem. Thread the caster stem into the cabinet and tighten with the included wrench, snug but not overly tight. Repeat for all casters on your model. If you have an all-in-one embroidery studio, Quilter's Vision, or Eclipse, your studio includes an Outback leaf. You should install casters on the Outback leaf gate legs now. All casters should be unlocked during installation to avoid any damage to the casters themselves. Carefully lift the cabinet off the support blocks and rotate it upright. Avoid pivoting on the caster wheels. Now you're ready to use your Koala Studios sewing cabinet.